Yeah, pretend like you're gonna leave. Just one shot of Hennessy. Next thing you're all over me, all over me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a extreme clean with me because I am cleaning my whole house. So you're gonna get tons of cleaning motivation from this video. I clean upstairs and downstairs. So the first thing that I am doing here is just cleaning my bedroom, picking up the mess. I wrapped a few things. Oh, and just so you guys know, I am going to film a wrap with me video. I'm trying to figure out when to do it because my mom will be here in like 2 hours from Washington State. So I'm trying to figure out the best time to record that so I can answer the Q&A questions that you guys asked me on Instagram the other day. If you guys have any other further questions that you want to ask me that I could record in that video, let me know down in the comments down below. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and also turning on the little alarm notification bell. I know a lot of people that have been coming to me, even my big brother just told me last night that he hasn't even been seeing my videos in his feed, and he has notifications on. He hasn't been seeing it in his feed. He hasn't been getting notified. So he had to like go to my channel just to see if I have a new video. So make sure that you guys are kind of keeping up with that, making sure you have your alarm bell so you guys don't miss another video. And I will also have yesterday's video that I put out in my description box, just in case you missed that one. So right now I'm going to go ahead and clean my sink and the mirror and all of that stuff, but I like to clear my counters first. And then I am going to go with the Method bathroom cleaner to clean my sinks. And then I'm using this Windex. I'm using this glass cleaner from Clean Packs. It's a concentrate non-toxic glass cleaner.
I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. Did you wrong and it wasn't fair. If I could go back, then I would treat you better. If I could just change my words like in a letter. I did some things, but I wasn't clear. No, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing.
The new thing that I have in my bathroom right now are these mason jars that I got from Party City, and I just have my cottons and Q-tips in there.
Right here, out of silence. No, I hope this is a phase that you were just dramatic, that we still could be good, that our love is the last.
So I am going to go ahead and clean my shower with the SOS pad. I just find it cleans off the soap residue off my glass. Really, really good. So that's what I'm using first.
Right, yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence.
And I'm also going to use my tub and tile cleaner from Mrs. Myers.
5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets green, I lose my shape. I'd still be missing you. end. Just you, just you. I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No one.
So now we're gonna go ahead and head to the loft where I needed to actually wash some blankets. I needed to fold some clothes and kind of just clean up that space. My in-laws actually just left like 3 days ago, and then my mom's coming today. So it's kind of, we've only had a couple days in between time for me to actually get some things done. So I wanted to show you guys this big pile of dust that I had on here that I had not touched in probably since last month, to be honest with you guys. But I am doing some cleaning today, so we're getting stuff done. So I did get some new things from Grove Collaborative that I'm going to actually show you guys towards the end of the video because I have to unbox my stuff. I haven't even unboxed it yet. I just got it that day, and I got some goodies on their website, so I'll share with you guys what I got.
Yeah, pretend like you're gonna leave. Just one shot of Hennessy. Next thing you run over me, all over me. We act like we're hard to get, but we know this is imminent. Cause we keep falling right into it, right into it. Oh, we were only fun till you show me love. You bring me up into the place I love, the place I love. I can't control myself because I'm very dust. 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 I can't control control myself. Clouds in paradise. I sail high, sail high. I sail high, speak myself. I sail high. Started out being innocent. Big words promised everything. But all along we knew this was bad. This was bad. Gotta end, gotta make it stop. We can't pretend that this is love. But then we touch and it all gets lost in pink clouds and fairy dust. We were only fun till you show me love. You bring me up into the place I love, the place I love. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust. I can't control myself, pink clouds and fairy dust.
All right, you guys, so we're all done cleaning. Thank you guys so much for joining us today, watching me clean. And if you have any comments or suggestions or anything, leave those in the comments below or just say hi. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, letting me know you enjoyed this video and that you got a lot of inspiration from it. And thank you guys so much for being a part of my family this whole entire year. It's been amazing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.